Hello, and thank you for choosing Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies for your mobility needs. Today we will be demonstrating the Enhanced Mobility Solax Transformer Folding Travel Scooter. This unit is lightweight, weighing 53 pounds without the battery. At a full charge, this unit will take you up to 13.7 miles. To turn the unit on, turn the key to the on setting. On the left, you will find the speed adjustment knob. Turn the knob to the right towards the rabbit for faster speeds and to the left towards the turtle for slower. Above that, you will see how much battery life your unit has left. To control the unit, simply push down on the right acceleration pedal and the left to reverse. This unit has a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. We will now begin the folding process of this unit. What you will see now is the Enhanced Mobility Portable Automated Scooter Lift. For those who cannot lift 50 pounds, this is ideal since it weighs only 29 pounds and fits in the trunk of any vehicle. Simply open the lift and telescope the ladder and motor up to the desired height. To fold the scooter, press down on the B button located on your keys. You will hear 2 beeps confirming that it will begin folding. It will fold halfway. Now, press the B button once more to completely fold the scooter. Turn off the unit and fold down the controls. Connect the power cable to the scooter's XLR power connector. Then, lower the hoist and connect to the unit. Now, you are able to lift the unit at ease and push it directly into your vehicle.